In this video, I demonstrate how to earn $5 every 60 seconds, just typing names online, which is one of the simplest methods to make money online. So, before we move into it, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn the notification on. Then you will update once upload new content. Continue to watch as I demonstrate precisely how to accomplish it. Furthermore, registration for this website is completely free. You do not need to pay anything in advance. And you do not need any writing expertise. You may do this on your smartphone or PC, and it doesn't matter if you have an Android or an iOS device. You can still do this from anywhere in the world. Now let's get back to the video. The very first step is for you to go to this very important site, which is typingtest.com, where you can take a 60-second taking test. When you get to this site, click on Typing Tests, and you'll be taken to this page, where you can see check your typing skills. In a minute, type away to join 150 million plus test takers. So you can select 1 to 10 minutes test, and then select text sentences, or words that are extremely crucial. I'd like you to log in, and select the 1-minute test and medium text options. The best part is you can do this conveniently on your smartphone. As you can see, you can start typing by clicking on Start Test. Then they have a timer right here for 1 minute, and they'll measure how fast you type. So for example, if I start typing certain words, the timer will start running, and they'll show me how fast I type. Now if you go back to the home page, and click on Typing Courses, they will give you free training to help you type faster. The reason for this is that in this video, I will show you a few websites that can make you money by simply typing, and the faster you type, the more money you make. Now, I'm going to show you those websites where you can earn money online by simply typing. So this is going to be the very first website on our list. So as you can see right here, $1.25 per minute. Now let's head over to an online calculator, and let's do the math. So that's $1.25 per minute. And if you type for 60 minutes or 1 hour, you can make $7 to $5. If you type for 3 hours, you can earn $225. And if you type for 5 hours, you can earn up to $307 to $5 for simply taking. As a result, this is truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. This is a very legitimate website that has been trusted by over 170,000 people from various industries all over the world. So this website is called Rev.com. Now, I want you to head over to their homepage. As you can see here, transcription is 1.25 per minute. Captions are also charged with $1.25 per minute, and foreign subtitles range from $3 to $7 per minute. It's actually an edge if you're from a foreign country. For example, if you're from India, and no Hindi subtitle is available, you can help them translate the videos from English to Hindi, or Hindi to English. This is where you can earn a lot of money. So as you can see here, $3 to $7 per minute. Now let's see how much money you can earn. On average, you make roughly $5 per minute, which means you can earn $300 per hour, by simply translating videos to foreign subtitles. Now if you're still starting, and don't speak a foreign language, I'd suggest starting with video transcription. I guess $1.25 per minute is more than enough. So right now, when you scroll down to the bottom, most part of this website, you can see here freelancers. When you click it, you'll be taken to this page, where you can see reverend freelance jobs that have a work schedule that is extremely adaptable. You can pick and choose among hundreds of jobs, and you'll get paid on a weekly basis. However, if you want to build multiple streams of income, you can join both Rev.com and TranscribeMe.com. Now to join TranscribeMe.com, just go ahead and click on Get Started, and you will be sent to a page where you may join. What's great about this website is that you can do it from your phone or your computer, and they have very flexible work hours and timetables, so you can work at your own pace. The best part is that they offer you 2 to 4 minute clips only, so it's absolutely not lengthy at all. Just imagine if you spend half an hour transcribing, or even an hour, you'll also be earning much. All you have to do is enter your first name, your last name, and your email address. Make sure to put your real email for the confirmation link for your account activation, and then you can create your password, and confirm it right here. After that, enter your PayPal account where they can send you the payment. Always have the time to check your email, because they will send you verification details about your typing speed, because they will sometimes ask you what your typing speed is. This is where typingtest.com becomes handy. So in order to know what your typing speed is, In terms of words per minute, you can take a typing test on this website. After taking the test you'll see your results right away. Now all you have to do is take a screenshot of the result, and send it to them via email. So this is your typing speed, and you can improve, or even double it by joining some typing courses on this website. By doing so you'll have more job opportunities. That's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you like it make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another one.